Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to find your wallet account number. So to get started with that, make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because that'll help me out. So get started with the guide on how you can easily find your Webull account number. So if you're on the mobile app version, open the app and log into your account and tap the menu icon at the bottom right, then looks like a free lines or a user icon. Then tap my account or Webull security under the brokerage account section, then look for your account number at the top or under your name. It is usually labeled as account number or ID. Then tap it if needed to copy or view full details. Then if you're on the desktop version, just log into your account using the desktop app or the website version. Then click your profile icon at the top right corner, then select my account or account details. Then your Webull account number will be listed under your brokerage information or similar section. And that's it. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.